if you want to sound French when you speak, vowels are the secret. They don't sound like English at all. Les voyelles sont très importantes. And in French, we have 6 main vowels. Nous avons A, O, I, U, and then U. This U is like a tight U sound, and your lips will be pushed forward like U. And then finally, nous avons Y, usually like Y. Consonants mostly sound like English, but a few of them change. For example, C. C in French is pronounced as C. Another example, G. G in French is pronounced as G. And then another example here is the silent H in words like hotel. The H at the beginning of hotel is silent, it's not pronounced. Now let's look at this example. Le mot cinéma. Cinéma. The alphabet C starts cinéma, but in French it is pronounced as cinéma. Repeat these words daily with real examples. It's a TF game changer. Click the link in the bio to join Prepping Well today.